The Ice Cavern is perhaps the most deceptively treacherous mini-dungeon in The Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time. It is very simplistic, with a beautiful ambient soundtrack that immerses you in the cavern amongst walls of ice. But beware, because the multitude of icy enemies is enough to freeze any hero to the bone. The reason the Ice Cavern is so critical to the game is because it houses the fabled blue flame, which is the only flame strong enough to melt red ice. In the same way, we'll find that L'Hopital's rule is the only technique strong enough to evaluate certain limits. So, grab your empty bottle and let's begin. Upon entering the Ice Cavern, you find that there are chunks of red ice amid the obstacles. You see a chest underneath one of these red ice chunks. The answer to the limit question you've been wondering about is inside it. A flashback comes to you, and you remember that you are trying to evaluate the limit as x approaches 0 of e to the x minus 1 all over x. But when you tried evaluating it earlier, you ran into the indeterminate form 0 over 0, preventing you from solving the limit. This roadblock, the indeterminate form, is the red ice which prevents you from being able to open the chest and find your answer. To open the chest, you must first use the blue flame, that is, L'Hopital's rule, to melt away the red ice. To this end, you simply take the derivative of the top and the bottom of the fraction in your limit problem. This yields the limit as x approaches 0 of e to the x over 1. And this limit is clearly the number 1. And that's it. It's really that simple. L'Hopital's rule allows us access to the solutions of many different limits, simply by taking derivatives in the appropriate way. So, fill up your bottles with blue flames. We've got a homework to finish. Math, just like anything else in life, gets easier the more you see it. Take, for example, your favorite movie. I bet you could watch it for the e to the ln of 10th time and still find some new Easter egg in it. So, now that you've seen this video n times, see if you can fill in any gaps by watching it n+1 times. And if you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment down below. If you found this video helpful or interesting, be sure to give it a like, as it helps support this channel. New videos are posted every Tuesday at 2. To never miss out, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for checking out this week's video. See you Tuesday!